I'm Chandra Madsen, and we're excited to get you into the kitchen again, and we are going to be making some Waffle Love copycat waffles. Who doesn't love waffles? So we're excited to share kind of a new twist on a waffle. It's called a Leige Waffle. It's a lot denser of a batter. It does take a little more time, so you can make it the night before if you want them for the morning, but they're worth the effort because they're amazing. And these kids are going to love topping it with all of their favorite toppings. So check it out, we're gonna have fun. So the thing that makes these waffles a little bit different is these waffles actually use yeast. So we are going to have to proof the yeast, have the yeast grow, and then we're gonna make a dough that we're gonna let set and rise for a little bit, and then we're gonna add some sugar pearls. If you're new to sugar pearls, just look on Amazon. They're kind of the rage these days, you'll be able to find them. So let's get started getting our dough ready. We're gonna add some water and sugar to our yeast and our milk. We're gonna microwave it for a little bit, and then we're going to get going on this dough.